PLI scheme to unlock India's manufacturing capacity and balance global supply chain. PLI scheme was introduced during pandemic to give impetus to slowing economy due to lockdown during COVID pandemic and give boost to Atmanirbhar Bharat and Make in India. The first 3 PLI schemes were approved in March 2020. In 2021, FM has announced an outlay of INR 1.97 lakh crores for 13 key sectors of PLI to create national manufacturing champions and generates employment opportunities for the country's youth. Under the first round, 3 PLI schemes were introduced in 2020, targeting 3 industries: mobile manufacturing, electric components, pharmaceutical, medical devices manufacturing. The second round of PLI scheme has been launched on 11th March 2021 with 10 new key sector, which focuses building a vibrant, robust components manufacturing ecosystem. First round of PLI schemes are as follow. 1. Mobiles manufacturing and electronic component. The scheme extend an incentive of 4% to 6% on incremental sales of goods manufactured in India for a period of 5 years subsequent to the base year. The was notified on 1st April 2020. The scheme has received a very encouraging response. 16 applications were approved under the first round of the scheme. 5 companies under global, 5 under domestic, 6 under electronic category. 2. Pharmaceutical drugs. The scheme extend an incentive of 3% to 10% on incremental sales of goods manufactured in India for a period of 6 years subsequent to the base year. The scheme came into effect from 27 July 2020. The Department of Pharmaceuticals has launched a PLI scheme for promotion of their domestic manufacturing by setting up greenfield plants with minimum domestic value. 3. Manufacturing of medical devices. The scheme extend an incentive of 5% on incremental sales of goods manufactured in India for a period of 5 years subsequent to the base year. The department has launched a PLI scheme for promotion of their domestic manufacturing of medical devices to ensure a level playing field for domestic manufacturer of medical devices.